Hey guys, this is Scott here at Gresham Toyota. I'm going to do a quick little video about the TRD Pro Tundra. Quick note, I have a bunch of stories coming. Can't release them yet. Some crazy things. Yeah. So definitely more to come. Keep on watching the video. Hit the subscribe button and let's get into it. Hey guys, this is Scott here at Gresham Toyota. This is the TRD Pro 2021 Toyota Tundra. It has a unique TRD grille. You can barely even order these anymore. Also a nice little hood scoop. Rigid LED lights. LED headlights as well. This thing is amazing. I believe this vehicle holds about 90% of its value over 3 years. That's because it's a TRD Pro. People want these. If you're driving one of these on the road, people literally ask to buy it. It looks so nice. One of my favorite things about this vehicle is the remote start. Oh. You just knew I was going to do that. It is sick. With the TRD exhaust, it sounds so good. Aluminum forged wheels. This thing is just a beast. Hard to find. Anyhow, we get probably like 1 or 2 of these a year. Fox shocks, remote reservoirs, just awesome wheels and tires. The inside, the stitching is just supreme. Check it out. Get that red leather accent with the TRD Pro. Check it out. And it's got your own unique Tundra TRD Pro all-weather mats. This one has 3 miles on it. If you know anybody looking for a TRD Pro Tundra, I'm here at Gresham, Oregon at Gresham Toyota. Hey guys, if you guys know anybody looking to buy or sell a vehicle, definitely hit me up. Check out all my referrals. My phone number here is 503-758-3612. Thanks, have a good day. Bye.